Shovels, brooms, tool organizer, a hanger to put on concrete, wood, garage, and more. What you get in the cart and the package, how nicely it's packaged and protected. All the accessories, hardware to install and protected by insulation. This kit comes with 3 sets, a package of anchors and screws, and 2 hangers. They simply clip on over the edge, like so, over here, a nice close-up shot, and it lies down and snaps into place when secured in the area you desire. You can hang it up in 3 separate ways, one in one location and so forth, or straight across. Each bar contains 10 holes. Choose the holes where you're hanging. Grab, drill, place your anchor in, temporarily place on, measure, and secure down. And repeat for the other 2. When placing on, make sure the lip is facing the correct way. Each bar could be put up to 4 or more. Simply press down, snap into place. Shovels and more could be hung up. Shovels, brushes, and more. The unit is not overlapping. The unit simply puts to the side for additional lengths or place in different angles and heights. These are just some of the designs and ways you can hook up your garage organizer. Hanging on wood. Simply placing it to an area with the screws, snapping into place. 5 is the maximum to go on, with 1 left over. Your garage organizer. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.